Darbar move was an age-old practice started by Maharaja Ranbir Singh, the third son of Gulab Singh, the founder of the Dogra dynasty and the first Maharaja of the princely state of J&K. The tradition was started in 1872 with the idea of shifting the capital between Srinagar in the summer and Jammu in the winter. Hence, the Darbar Move name was coined, which meant the biannual shifting of the Secretariat and all other government offices of Jammu and Kashmir from Jammu to Srinagar. The government offices in Srinagar were housed in the summer capital from May to October, and the other 6 months were in winter capital Jammu. The popular belief on this transition was that it was done by Maharaja to escape extreme weather conditions in these places. While this could have been the case, one can't deny this practice also helped in bridging the culture difference across the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Trade and commerce were also majorly aligned with this transition. It is interesting to know that this practice, which continued for 149 years, worked continuously for all these years, even in turbulent times. The transition was done by JKRTC, who arranges all the trucks to move the officials along with the government files. For making this transition a smoother one, the security was handled by the J&K police. Although the administration took all the possible measures to make the Darbar move relevant in all these years, the expenditure on the practice was a toll on taxpayers' money. But from the past 2 years, there has been a halt in the practice of Darbar move. Last year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, government of J&K has taken a decision to cancel the Darbar move practice, and just senior officials were allowed to continue their activity in both regions. On April 25th, the government had identified 673 officials to work in Jammu and 863 in Srinagar 5 days after it deferred the Darbar move, saying that the civil secretariat shall continue to function simultaneously at Jammu and Srinagar. While addressing a conference on June 20, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has said that the J&K administration has completely transitioned to e-office, thereby ending the biannual practice. Now both the Jammu and Srinagar secretariats can work concurrently for 12 months without any physical transition. And this step can save the federal government 200 rupees crore per year, which can be used for the welfare of the disadvantaged sections. Now the administration has cancelled residential accommodations of the Darbar move employees in Jammu and Srinagar. The employees who have been allotted residential accommodation in Srinagar and those from Srinagar in Jammu have received an order to vacate their government allotted residential accommodation in the twin capital cities within 21 days. There has been no official order on ending the 149-year-old practice so far, but with this administration order, it is clear that the official notice of the Darbar move coming to an end is around the corner. Many people in J&K have shown support towards the end of this practice and are happy to know that J&K is working towards the modernization and digitalization, and hence saving huge amount of number of resources. There is a speculation that traders are not happy with this move, as they eagerly wait for the Darbar move as their business bloom in the season and high footfall is registered. Although it would be very early to say how this move will impact the business people than the common people.